Hello viewers, today I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram draw option not showing problem. To fix it, first go to your Play Store, search for your Instagram, make sure your Instagram app is updated. After that, go to your phone setting, scroll down, tap on apps. Now search for your Instagram app. Tap on Instagram, scroll down, now tap on storage. Now clear your Instagram app cache and go back, and now tap on permissions. Now make sure all permission is enabled. Okay, now go back to your Instagram. Now tap on your three dot icon. Now you can find your draw option here. Okay, go back. Now tap on your message icon. You can find your draw option here. By doing this process, you can successfully solve your problem. Thank you.